Okay, chat, y'all ready? Add water in here, Sammy. Okay, period. All right, chat, let's do it. Let me find the sponges. Shoot. Oh shit, I can't even get to it. Oh shoot. Come on up out of there. Come on up out of there. Come on. Push through. Oh shoot, she heavy. And last but not least, let's get Big Mama up out of here. Come on, Big Mama. Where you at? Ooh, is that you? Ooh. My iPad died. Okay, as long as the chat is still up. She is tea. She is tea, chat. Purr. Oh shit, hold on. This stuff is dripping all over me. This is my glue. Ooh, look how it's bubbling. Y'all see it's making bubbles? All right, y'all ready to mix it? Y'all ready to mix it, chat? All right, let's go. Ooh. That just smacked me in the face. Come back here. Cause these got a hole, and I think my other 2 pairs got thrown in the trash. But these gloves are definitely worth it. You get 3 pairs for $10. And they give you full protection all the way up your arm to the elbow. Y'all see how deep this toe is? When I tell y'all I am covered in paste, this don't make no sense. I'm talking about in it. Good God Almighty. Woo! Baby. Did we get the 4.1 tonight, chat? I ain't even begged for no followers tonight. Look at me. I was just over here just minding my clean top business, squeezing the sponges. Oh yeah, I'm swimming in it. Backstroke. What people would love to do. Yay, we got some 4.1 and I didn't have to beg per period. Let's go, chat. Thank y'all for the 14.1K. If you in here and you're not following, make sure you hit that follow button. Thank y'all so much for being here with me. You know what? We done been through all of this and now the paste want to get on my elbow. Just disrespectful. No, I didn't do a 14K. We doing a big free overload at 15K. When we hit 15K, we're doing a big free celebration overload. Everything gonna be on me. Y'all just gonna come in and get sat like we did for 12K. I know I'm probably breathing hard. Y'all know my back big. Then y'all got me in here swimming in paste. At least it ain't thick like the 3K live. I can handle this. Yes, free. Everything is on me. When we hit 15K, we're doing a big 15K overload. All free. I'm trying to decide what I'm gonna do. But when I tell y'all, we gonna pop it. And y'all know pop is my favorite thing ever. So she may make a special appearance at the 15K live. I just don't know yet. What I've been thinking is, thank you. So what I've been thinking is we gonna do, for 15K, I'm thinking I wanna do 150 cans, 15 bottles of pop, and I don't know what else, but all of that's gonna be free on me. Y'all just come in and enjoy the live. If y'all want to send, y'all can, but I no sending for products that day. Like if y'all want to send a tip or a gift, cool, but no sending for products that day. That day is going to be just to show y'all how much I appreciate y'all and thank y'all for coming in and doing what y'all do every time I go live. Y'all come in and pop in. I don't care if it's 80 people in here. Y'all show up and show out every single time. So that's just gonna be my way of giving back to y'all and showing y'all some love. But I'm definitely, matter of fact, that's what we doing. 15 bottles of pop and 150 cans, for sure. I don't know what else I'm gonna add to it on top of that, but we're definitely doing 150 cans and 15 bottles of pop. Y'all heard it here first. 15K overload. We popping it for 15. Literally. No, y'all are sweet and generous. Literally, y'all come in here live after live, day in and day out. No matter when I get on, y'all come in and y'all show so much love. So that is the least that I can do. Y'all know I always try to do some type of give back, giveaway, something. So this just gonna be my little appreciation to y'all. And y'all heard it here first. 150 cans and 15 bottles of pop for 15K. All free, all on me. Y'all just come in, bring your ice and the good vibes, and let's have a good time. Yep, everything is sold out, chat. Everything is sold out. And everything has went in. I'm just trying to smooth this paste out. She ended up turning out to not be too bad. I know I can't wait to take a bath. I got paste on my titties. Now that's disrespectful. Tell a friend to tell a friend. If you're not following Sammy, baby, we need to get the 15K like tomorrow. 150 cans and 15 bottles of pop. I'm gonna have to figure out what else I'm gonna add to it because I don't think 15 bottles of pop is gonna be enough liquid. I'm not a huge dish soap girly, but I know y'all like dish soap. So maybe we can do a pop jelly overload and then add cans to it. Maybe we could do a pop jelly overload, a big overload with a whole bunch of jelly and then add cans to it. That sounds snackable. That sounds snackable. Ooh, lemon Lysol. We could do lemon Lysol and pop with cans and do that as an overload. Cause lemon Lysol jellies too. Ooh, I'm thinking about it. Y'all will get the final answer here soon. But 15K, we're doing 150 cans and 15 bottles of pop, all free, all on me. Just a thank you for the way y'all support me.